Welcome to Cracking the Code with Walker. Learn to spot and prevent emissions control issues. In this video, we're tackling catalytic converter failure due to gas leakages on exhaust pipes or mufflers.
Catalytic converter failure due to cracked pipes or mufflers. Any cracked pipe, failed weld in the emissions system parts, or rusted exhaust clamps will generate gas leaks, modifying the internal back pressure of the exhaust system. This situation will result in an increase in the amount of unburnt fuel and oxygen in the exhaust gases, which will end up melting the surface of the catalytic converter's monolith with a very characteristic pattern, leaving it useless in a short period of time. One of the most common causes of this type of problem results from the natural wear of the exhaust rubber hangers. When these units wear, the vibrations transmitted to the exhaust ends up generating cracks at the welding area where the pipe is fixed to the side cover of the muffler. Apart from the problem caused for a faulty weld cord that is directly related to the manufacturing process of the exhaust parts, the rest of these failures cannot be considered manufacturing warranties.
I hope you have enjoyed this video and that it has helped you to have a better understanding of the possible claims related to those important products. Thank you, and see you in next episodes of Cracking the Code of Emissions Control Customer Claims with Walker.